Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, another gear / product review. Our friends at KEMIMOTO sent us a boat cover support pole system. I'm going to lay it all out, show you the contents of the package, then we're going to go put it on the boat, demonstrate how it's used. Alright, let's go ahead, open up the box. Instruction manual, the layout for different kind of boats that you can use this boat cover pole system for. Comes with two poles. Eight straps. Top plate. Another top plate. Two bottom plates. And these are supposed to be bags used as a weighted system for the support poles should you need to add more weight. You can open these up, okay, inflate them with water, I believe it's water, okay, and it gives a little more heft to the poles should you need that. Now that we know the contents, let's go over to the boat and get this set up. Okay. Now these poles extend. They have an unlock and a lock. Okay. I don't know if you can read any of that, but it's unlock and lock. Sorry for the sun. Fortunately, that's what I'm working with here, folks. You go ahead, find your mark, twist it, find your mark on here, okay, twist it. Now you have to get on your boat and gauge where you want this. So if you got a pontoon boat, you might use more than one pole. Runabout, you probably use one pole. Center of the boat, I have a center console. I'm going to put it right behind the console. So it'll be up and down right in here. Okay? I already know where I'm going to put it. I've made my marks on the pole. That's for my reference. So I can go ahead, set the height on this, add the plates, then I go and add the straps. That's the pole. Bottom of the pole, okay? Solid base plate, okay? Solid plate. Take it, screw it into the bottom, just like so. All right, real easy. Your top plate, it's gonna have these cutouts right here, okay? Both sides, cutouts on both sides. That's where your straps are going to go. Okay, you're going to go ahead, put that at the other end of the pole. So the cutout end for the straps, solid base plate, for the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead, attach the straps, show you how this supports the boat cover. Okay, folks, I hope you can see me a little bit better. Get out of that sun. It's freaking hot here in Florida. Those are the slots for the top half of this pole, okay? Top plate, got those slots. Now, on your strap, okay, you're gonna have this little loop end right here. So my finger's right through the loop, okay? You're gonna take this end, slide it right through one of those notches on the top plate, okay? Just like that. I'm gonna redo that for you. Slide it in. Of course, the straps are getting stuck. Slide it in. Can't make my fingers work today. But anyways, slide it in. Move it over. And there you have it. Okay. Now the other end of this. All right. It's got a hook. Now, I've got to attach the hook to the bow of my boat under the gunnels. Okay? I don't have any cleats to attach it to. It's got to go underneath my gunnels for the bow of the boat. All right? For the stern of the boat, I'm going to attach these hooks to the trailer. That's what's going to work for me. Okay? I'm not going to do the gunnels on the back half. All right? Back portion. Didn't like how that is kind of going to be turning out. I was looking at it and I said, I don't think so. We're going to go with the trailer. All right? That way this will be more steady and support right in the center. And I shouldn't have to use those extra bags, fill them up with water, and put them on the boat. I shouldn't have to do that at all. So we're going to go ahead, put the straps in the rest of this, get it up on the boat. Okay. Bring the pole over. Put it over here on my mat. One go over there. Oops, got it caught in the cord. Attach it in the front. These are adjustable, folks. So you can go ahead, make your adjustments as you go. That one fell off of where it was, and that's okay. It's nice when two people are kind of doing this setup, but it can be done with one, and that's what we're showing here today. That can be done with one. It's nice if you have two people. Goes a little bit easier, a little bit quicker. To readjust this one. Okay, now we've got it on there. It's in place. I didn't want to bore you with all the adjustments. Okay, but right on the strap here, it's these little buckles. All right, these little buckles right here. So you've got to adjust the straps. You've got to move all of this up and down. All right, find your connecting point, move the straps or the buckles up and down to adjust your straps. That's the only way you can get it perfect. Okay, and it takes a minute. Same thing with this. Okay, it's cinched in. It's on the back half. All right, you can see the pole is straight. It's not leaning. Okay, it's not on anything. Completely straight up and down. And there's the straps in the front. Now let's go ahead and put the cover on. There you go, folks. My cover is on. That's going to work nicely. That is going to work just fine. The KEMIMOTO boat cover support pole. You see it works, folks. I just need to go ahead and bore you with the adjustment of the straps. You're going to have to adjust the straps to your boat, just like I did for my boat. It's going to be different. It's not going to be the same. Might be a little time consuming with one person. 2 people definitely helps. As you can see, it'll make it go by really quick with 2. But then again, 1 person, tackle it on your own as well. It is that easy. It's just going to take a little bit of time. That's all. You have to adjust the straps. Okay? They're fully adjustable. You see the pole works? That's fully adjustable. Okay? Base covers. It's holding this up. Okay? I didn't even use the bags for the water. Okay? Don't need it. This holds it up alone. It's a little breezy here in Florida. It's holding up alone. It's doing fine. 439 subscribers. Oh my God. Can't believe it. Thank you all so much for tuning into this channel. It totally means a lot to me. I watch the analytics a lot on this channel. Okay? Everybody from other countries that are tuning in, big thumbs up to you. I truly appreciate people outside the United States watching these videos. I see it and I'm going to recognize you 100%. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. We have more coming. We're going to be out on the water. We'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care, everybody.